to add links to Instagram stories without 10K followers. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Then, click on your story at the top left corner of your screen. Then, simply add any picture you want to add with a link. After that, click on the sticker-like option at the top. After you've clicked on the sticker-like option, you'll find link in here. Click on link in here. Then, in URL section, simply paste your link. Click on customize sticker text. After that, you can type in any sticker text you want and press on done. After you do that, press on your story at the bottom left corner of your screen. After it's posted to your story, if anybody clicks the link, it will lead you to the link. And this is how to add links to Instagram stories without 10K followers. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.